Thailand. Today I'm going to show you how to make vegetarian rice noodle stir fry. Noodles in Thai equal ผัดซีอิ๊วนั่นเองนะคะ I also just to let you know I make this noodle myself. And can we go have a look what ingredients have we got today? Ingredients are homemade rice noodle, eggs, garlic, dark soy sauce, sweet soy sauce, seasoning soy sauce, Chinese kale, also cooking oil. Vegetarian stir-fry rice noodle. Today I'm garnish them with chili powder and also some sugar. If you want, you can add some tea, some lemon and just squeeze it in and mix it all together. So you can have 3 flavors in one bowl. So basically you can have spicy, sweet and sour. Thank you for watching my video today and do hope to see you again on my next video. But before you go, please don't forget to like, to share and also subscribe for me as well. Thank you for watching. ขอบคุณค่ะ